Deep beneath the Earth's surface lies a hidden treasure trove of water, over 1,000 times more than all the rivers and lakes combined. This precious groundwater holds the key to life, providing almost all the fresh water we need. But here is where the trouble begins. In many parts of the world, we are guzzling down groundwater faster than it can naturally recharge. Can you imagine a wild water drinking contest? That's us, but with serious consequences. Now, here is the real kicker. Our water guzzling escapades aren't just causing sea levels to rise, they're pulling off the ultimate prank on our planet, shifting its very axis. You might think this is some elaborate cosmic comedy sketch, but it's real, and it's epic. You see, Earth's axis, the imaginary line around which it twirls like a graceful ballet dancer, usually enjoys a smooth, predictable sway, changing direction by a few meters each year. But guess what? Our groundwater pumping frenzy is turning this delicate dance into a wacky wobble. It's like Earth is trying out a new dance move, and let's just say, it's got some moves like Jugge. The science behind this eccentric performance is quite simple. When we extract groundwater, most of it eventually ends up in the oceans after a journey through rivers. This mass movement from continents to oceans, although normal to some extent, has been pushed to extremes by our wild water extraction. So, there you have it, folks. We are shifting the whole shebang from land to sea, and Earth is rocking the twist. Researchers have been tracking this mind-boggling motion, and what they found is pure comedy gold. Between 1993 and 2010, we managed to nudge Earth's rotational pole by a staggering 64.16 degrees eastward. That's like turning your GPS upside down and taking a detour to, well, nowhere. But hold your laughter, folks, because this cosmic comedy show isn't the only thing at stake. As Earth merrily wobbles its way through space, it's pulling off another trick that's no laughing matter: rising sea levels. Our groundwater depletion caused a significant 6.24 mm rise in global sea level from 1993 to 2010. Okay, you might say 6.24 mm doesn't sound like much, but it's a serious deal for our shores. Each millimeter rise makes the shoreline retreat by an average of 1.5 meters. Time to get your swim trunks ready. And that's not all. The water punchline doesn't stop there. Pumping groundwater like a bunch of overenthusiastic comedians has some side-splitting consequences for our aquatic ecosystems. Reduced water flow from natural streams has our freshwater friends feeling a little parched. We all know water is life, but when stream flow takes a hit, it's no laughing matter for the countless critters that rely on these habitats. But fret not, dear humans, we're not here to play the blame game. Laughter is the best medicine, and we have had our share of chuckles with our water antics. So, let's rally together and put on a show for responsible groundwater management. It's time for Earth's comedic exploits to take a bow, and for us to embrace a more sustainable water routine. The stage is set, the audience is waiting, and it's showtime for our cosmic water dance. Let's work together to ensure Earth's pole-twisting pranks and rising sea level jokes are tamed. Remember, laughter is good, but a planet with a healthy wobble and balanced water is even better. So, let's hit the brakes on our groundwater guzzling shenanigans and give our beloved Earth the standing ovation it truly deserves.